Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Google One. Want to expand your Google storage and access premium features? Google One gives you extra storage, VPN and AI tools and also backup options. Now in this video, I'll show you how to set up your Google One account quickly and effectively. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to sign up for Google One. Now on your PC or phone, go to one.google.com. Now on your PC, you can go to the website by choosing your browser, and then clicking on it, and type in the search bar one.google.com, and you log into your account using your account credentials by clicking on sign up for one. As you can see, I am already signed in to my Google One account. Now if you're using a mobile phone like an iPhone or an Android, just go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there and log in using your Google account credentials. Now after you do that, just tap on your phone, tap on Get Google One and choose a storage plan starting from 100 to 200 from 100 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. Now to do that on your PC, just go to storage here and click on Get More Storage. And here you're gonna see the plan. You're gonna see three plans. The basic plan, which offers you 100 gigabytes of storage for Photos, Drive and Gmail, and the premium, which offers you 2 terabytes for storage and Drive and Gmail, and unlimited Magic Editor saves in Google Photos, and also Google Workspace premium features, and the AI premium, which offers you also 2 terabytes, plus Gemini Advanced and other AI models, so you can use in Gmail, Docs, and etc. Now, the second step is to access the Google One features. Now, after subscribing, make sure you click on Get Discount or pay for the subscription and follow the prompts and enter your credit cards, etc. After you do that and you finish subscribing, open the Google One app or website, and once you subscribe, you can use the extra storage, which offers like 100, depending on your plan. It can be 100 gigabytes or 2 terabytes. You can also use Google One VPN, and you can also use Google One AI tools like Gemini here. The third step is to enable automatic backup. And to do that, just open Google One app, and after you pay for the subscription, click on storage and go to device backup and turn on backup and select what to backup. The fourth step, you can share Google One with family. Now in the Google One app, go to settings and manage family settings by adding a family member, and you can invite up to 5 people to share your storage. Google One also provides exclusive Google Store discounts or members. You can switch plans or cancel anytime in your Google One settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you set up Google One, subscribe, access your benefits, and back up your data and share with family if needed. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.